Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I will be showing you how to make this lovely whipped body butter combination using cranberry seed oil and organic extra virgin cocoa butter. So we sell cocoa butter on our website. We have the extra virgin organic unrefined version, and that's how it looks. It comes in the wafers form so that it's easily meltable. So you just be needing a container and you'll be needing your hand mixer. You don't need a stand mixer for this. This is just a simple two ingredient recipe that you can just make in very short time. So that's the cocoa butter wafers there. It comes in this rich scent. It comes with this rich scent of chocolate and it is food grade. So if you wanted to make chocolate at home, you want to add it to your smoothies, that's also fine. And you're just pairing it here with cranberry seed oil, and they're both food grade. So first of all, you go ahead and melt it down because of course you can work with the wafers in the form that it comes. It is quite stiff, and cocoa butter is a stiff butter. You do not need to be told that one. That's just how it comes. It is stiff. So just gonna head to melt it down, and I will be incorporating the cranberry seed oil. So cranberry seed oil is a very strong antioxidant. It has hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties, so it makes it a perfect addition to skin and hair care. So it does boost the absorption of skincare products because it is anti-inflammatory. So if you find that you expose yourself to the sun, you can just use it to heal your skin. It is lightweight and naturally non-greasy, so that makes it easily absorbed into the skin and leaving you without residue at all. So it is high in vitamin E, and the combination of cranberry seed oil and cocoa butter is just incredible because cocoa butter is also known to be very high in vitamin E. This is why it is recommended if you're pregnant and you want to avoid stretch marks. You can apply it on your belly. It would just make sure that you can safely avoid stretch marks or really reduce the incidence of stretch marks while you're pregnant because it helps improve the skin's elasticity. It is a very strong antioxidant and it's able to replenish the skin's natural barrier, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and protecting your skin from environmental stresses and oxidative problems. So, the natural fats and the fatty acids in cocoa butter, such as oleic, palmitic, and stearic acids, deeply hydrate the skin and create a protective barrier to prevent moisture loss. So it is a very vital ingredient for skincare products. And here you just want to make a simple whipped butter at home. You don't need that many ingredients. You can just combine these two wonderful ingredients and get very superior skincare benefits. So here I'm just whipping it down like I usually do, and you can see that beautiful yellowish brown color just come up just because the oil is also similar in color to cocoa butter when melted down. So this is what you would get in the end. And as you notice, I did not even recommend adding any essential oils because it smells incredible just on its own. So cocoa butter smells just like chocolate. It is a very sweet smell. And then I combine that with this cranberry seed, which is very fruity, and the smell combination is just great. If you want to improve that, you can actually add a citrusy scent like lemon essential oil or grapefruit essential oil, and that would also give a really nice scent. So you can just keep whipping until you get your desired texture. So this combination is is quite thick, but it just melts upon contact with the skin. So that's what you kind of like. I want my butter to still be a butter, but it doesn't really harden. It just stays really, really soft. And that's 100% guarantee. If you use the exact measurement that I'm going to give you in the description section, you would be 100% fine. I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will be coming up in the future with more 2 ingredient recipes. And I'm just going to show you how it looked on my skin when I applied it. It was just easily absorbed. So it just makes it, and it must have it must make recipe, because even though it's thick, it just gets really absorbed quickly and just doesn't sit on the skin. It stays really nice on the skin and just absorbs nicely. I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely stay tuned because I have more videos coming up, especially as we head into the holidays. Have a good one. Bye.